Okay, this is lesson 26, and for this one, I highly recommend that whenever you're doing a naming question to always look for a chiral center. So we're going to start by getting our longest carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's butane. And then I have a bromine at the 2 position, so I'm going to put 2-bromo dash for this methyl over here, which is at the 3 position. So 2-bromo 3-methylbutane, and before I press submit, I'm going to look for a chiral center. And I see one over here. So I'm going to look for the highest priority. My bromine is the highest. This branched out molecule is the second, and then third. So it's going counterclockwise, so it's S. So I'll put S in parentheses with a dash. So the most important thing for this lesson is just remember to always check your chiral centers. I was doing it the first time and I didn't realize that I was just ignoring the chiral centers, and I got like a 70, just missing all the ones that had chiral centers. So we're just going to draw the methane, the 1 carbon, and then add iodine, add our hydrogens, and that one's that. That one's pretty easy. Okay, we're going to start by drawing the pentane. And with the drawing ones, you don't have to worry about the chiral center because it'll let you know in the question if it has an R and S, and that indicates that there's a chiral center. So I have my iodine on the 1 position and my 5 carbon chain. So that should be good. Okay, longest carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentane. And then I have a bromine at the 2 position. So bromo, no other methyls attached. And lastly, I'm doing a naming one. So I'm going to look for a chiral center. I see one right here. So my bromine is my highest conformation. This is my second and my third. It's going around counterclockwise, so it is an S conformation. Okay, start by drawing butane for a carbon chain, and then we have a bromine at the 2 position. Add my hydrogens and hit arrange. And let me roll this around so the hydrogens in the back. Now I'm going to check my conformation or my priorities. So my bromine is my highest priority, this ethyl is my second, and methyl is my third. It's going counterclockwise. S, so I wanted to go the other way. So all I'm going to do is over here, click mirror, and now I'll check it one more time. My bromine, this one's second priority and third. For R, for me, R stands for right there to the right. So it's going right there to the right, so we're good. So yeah, if you ever have S and you need R, just press the mirror, and same if you have an R but you need an S, just press mirror and it should give you the right one. We're going to start by drawing propane, and then add a methyl at the 2 position, and chlorine at 1 position. Add our hydrogens and hit arrange. And of course, there's no chiral center because it would be indicated in the question when it comes to the drawing. Okay, we'll start by drawing our propane. and then add our fluorine to the 2 position, add our hydrogens, and that's it. No chiral centers indicated by the question. Okay, this is a naming one, so we're going to have to look out for a chiral center for our last step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon chain is pentane. I have my bromine at the 2 position, so 2 bromo, no extra methyls. And now I can look for that chiral center. I see it's going to be here because there's a methyl attached, bromine, and a propane. So first priority, second, third. It's going right there to the right, so it's our confirmation. R2 bromopentane. Okay, start by drawing the butane for carbon chain, and I'll go ahead and add my methyl at the 3 position and a bromine at the 2 position. Add my hydrogens and hit arrange. This is my chiral center because everything else, all the other carbons have duplicates. So highest priority, second highest, and third. It's going S counterclockwise, so I'll go ahead and come up here, press mirror. I like to double check. Highest priority, second, third. It's going right there to the right, so it's our priority. So that'll be good. Okay, last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got my pentane, and I have chlorine at the 3 position, so 3 chloropentane. And lastly, I'm going to check for a chiral center. I see all these carbons on the outside have duplicates of hydrogen, and this carbon has 2 ethyl groups attached, so 2 duplicates. So no chiral center is on here, so 3 chloropentane will be good. So yeah, for this homework, just keep an eye on the chiral centers when you're naming, and you should be good. But yeah, good luck.